Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test Shopify product. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need first to have your own products. By that, you will need just to go to the products page or products panel. From here, we will find inventory, purchased orders, etc. So from here, you can click on any products that you would like, and as you can see, you can give it a title, status, and images, and whatever you like. Also, you can have, for example, more action, so you can edit your products, or you can preview it so you can see it how it appears in your store. And as you can see, if you click on products, this is how it's going to appear. So for example, we can start testing, for example, adding to cart, and this is how it starts appearing. For example, this is only this name. Also, you can start adding some media. You can see how it looks on it. So I'm going to add, for example, this image, and I'm going to click on preview and see how this image fits in with this product. So as you can see, this is how it looks, and you can start testing and resizing the image. You can do any modification that you would like you can try to share it, you can interact with your product however you like. Also, for example, if we add simple description, let's add some simple description and see how it would look like in the preview. So make sure to save, go to the preview, and you can see the description that will appear here. And this is how you can start testing your products. So simply, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.